Here we have the WS400 Anest Iwata's clear digital spray gun. Recently there have been some changes to the newer models, so we want to showcase everything that comes inside the box. The newer models with the packing sleeve now come with the fast flow system of disposable cups and no longer have the aluminum paint cup. The first thing you will see is the quick start guide. Everything from changing your battery to some routine maintenance and some tech tips. Next is the letter of conformity and compliance. Underneath the protective foam padding will be the spray gun itself. Since it is the digital version, it will have a PSI gauge on the handle. The clear versions have a silver looking trim rings on the air cap and control settings from pressure, fluid control, and the fan pattern. Also on top of the packaging is a fast flow system adapter. It has a very large opening, making it easy to clean. Just install it on top of the fluid hole and you're ready to use. Underneath the rest of the box is the hard cup fast flow accessories. There are about 4 or 5 parts and consist of one hard cup with graduated mixing scales. Next you would just add your liner inside the hard cup and pour in your paint. Then grab the lid with a micron screen inside and snap it into place, making sure it has a nice seal all the way around the lid. Then you can install the hard collar to lock it all in place. If you have some paint without any hardener inside and would like to store it, just pop in the lid cover and store it upside down, keeping the screen wet. Another item inside the packaging is the maintenance kit. It comes with some spray gun lube, some cleaning brushes, a disassembly wrench, and there is also a torque wrench to remove the trim caps for deeper cleaning. It's just a small screw in the center of the dial. If you need to remove the pressure gauge, just twist it clockwise and the magnetic snaps will release it, then just pull it off. If you need to change the battery, that's what the little screwdriver is for. The little blue caps in the bag are for plugging up the holes on the handle. You don't want to get any harsh chemicals inside the body of the spray gun. The last thing is this funny looking clip. It's for keeping your trigger open and plugging up the air inlet hole so you can put the spray gun in the gun washer, if you have one. Just snap it on the handle and plug up the inlet. Once you're done cleaning, just reinstall the gauge in reverse order counterclockwise and snap it into place. Thanks for watching, and grab this model with some liners here at spraygunner.com.